Hi, my name is John Heijvels from the Netherlands. During my recent trip to Vietnam, I find very good solutions for online video conferencing, which is software based. It's very interested because it has a very friendly graphical user interface. It is very simple to use and it has rich features such as video, audio, whiteboard, presentation, file sharing, web sharing, recording, and last but not least, chatting. Also interested because it requires only a very low bandwidth. 128 kilobytes per second will do the job for you. Do you need HD video? No problem. It can bring you HD video. You only need some more bandwidth, of course. Does it sound right to you? This video you're watching is recorded by Naviconference. And I will show you what to do, how to use it, and show you some main functions. Okay, now I'm going to let you see what you need for a video conference. Well, it's very simple. You only need these three following items. Number one, of course, is a computer, just like the notebook over here. Number two is a webcam. I've got one here, and you need, or video cam with PTZ function. You've just dependent, and it's just dependent of how big your conference room is. Number three, of course, is speakerphone like this. And that's the same way. How big are your meeting room? You need some other specifications of your speakerphone. All right, now I'm going to show you some main functions of Naviconference. This is the default interface screen after you log into the room. The left video is the room owner's video. Right side is participant video. By default, we log all the video and audio streams from joint participants so that they can just hear and watch the conference only. This is a very good idea for low network connections like in Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Okay, I will activate now the user Hanoi. And as you will see, you can see the video of Hanoi in the right side of the screen. Hello Hanoi, how are you doing?
Hello, Alcon. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you. If you need to have a bigger video screen, then you click on the maximum window button and you get it. You see? Hey, hello there. You can hear me, yeah? You can hear me good?
Good. Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear you loud and clear. Okay, now I will show you some other functions.
Yes.
This is the whiteboard function. You can draw or write anything you want here, so every participant can see it. This function is very useful for distance learning purposes, right? You can also do anything, any presentation like this. It's a little bit too fast. You're still on the board and I'm still on the presentation. Maybe one back.
Yeah, I only try to slide up and slide out. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
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 If you want to share any information from a website, you can do that just using the web button. For example, if you type in naviconference.com, then all participants will see this website.
Other aspects of U.S. engagement with ASEAN and the Southeast Asian countries. I think I'll stop there and see if anyone has any questions or comments about this presentation.
Okay, thank you very much, Rick. Now I will take questions from the audience.
Cảm ơn toàn thể hội nghị. Tôi đến từ kênh truyền hình nông nghiệp nông thôn là truyền hình kỹ thuật số VTC và tôi muốn gửi đến đại diện của tổ chức Simpson một số câu hỏi. Thứ nhất là với các dự án thủy điện mà có tác động lớn tới kinh tế xã hội hiện nay thì các quốc gia cần phải làm gì trước khi quyết định đầu tư cũng như xây dựng các dự án thủy điện này? Xin mời ông.
Excuse me, Richard. Can you get the question?
Yes.
Okay, ready to answer it? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Anh có thể lặp lại dùm em được không? Em trao đổi. Dạ, anh lặp lại câu hỏi.
Tôi có một câu hỏi, đó là với các dự án thủy điện mà đối với các dự án thủy điện mà gây ra tác động lớn đến kinh tế xã hội của nhiều quốc gia, thì mỗi một quốc gia khi mà bắt tay vào xây dựng cũng như đầu tư thì chúng ta cần làm những điều gì?
I have some questions for the Stimson Center's representatives. Most of the hydropower, can you hear it clearly?
I can hear you, yes.
Most of the hydropower projects seem to have very large and substantial impacts on the social and economics of social society and economies of country who develop these projects. So, in your opinions, what these countries should do in order to minimize the impacts, negative social and economic impacts?
Well, thank you. I think that what the countries, the 4 countries need to do is to engage in more research and study of these impacts. My colleague Tim and I, and of course many other people in the...
Very concise, short and concise.
That was my goal.
Okay, that's my question first. Because in the past, Stimson often used the term non-traditional security. So why you change to human security now?
I decided to change to human security because it's a...
Tim, 1 second, I need the translation.
No problem.
Tức là câu hỏi ở đây là trước đây thì Stimson cũng đã nhiều tổ chức để dùng cái khái niệm đó là an ninh phi truyền thống, nhưng hiện nay thì họ đã dùng khái niệm đó là an ninh con người. Thì tôi muốn hỏi là tại sao họ chuyển sang cái khái niệm đấy, có thể là lý do gì đấy về mặt chính trị chẳng hạn.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. In reality, there's a lot of overlap between the two concepts of non-traditional security and human security. They're very closely related. However, non-traditional security is much more from a state perspective, and it tends to focus more on transnational crime, yes, resource management, but it doesn't always acknowledge issues such as food security. It doesn't always acknowledge issues such as health security, education. And so I thought that human security, when talking about the incredibly pivotal and important role that the Mekong plays in the livelihoods and economies and societies of the Mekong Basin.
Almost, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Very clear, very audible, and good audio.
Okay.
Audio, yes.
So, Mr. Ron is our VIP customer.
Yes, he's very VIP. Are you an American, sir?
No, I come from Europe, Holland.
Oh, sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Nein, kein Deutsch. Nein, I can. Ich spreche auch Deutsch, aber English is better.